Today I'm going to be reviewing one of those gadgets that is going to help you in your everyday life, and it's going to change the way you use your mobile phones on an everyday basis for your everyday tasks. And it's not just about the mobile phone, it's also related to your webcam, dedicated SLR cameras, point and shoot mirrorless cameras. It depends upon your creativity how you're gonna use it. So I'll share my personal experience about this gadget with you. So let's dive right into it.
This is the DIGITEK DTR260GT Gorilla Tripod Mini 13-inch. This tripod is mainly for mobile phones. It's got a mobile phone holder, a mount for that, and a screw head for holding that mount. And it's got a surprisingly amazing Bluetooth remote for capturing photos remotely. It's a nice touch. I received this package today morning, and when I opened it, everything was packed nice and easy inside the box. So when I opened the package and I looked at it, my first impression was that the build quality was average, but when I got my hands on it, it didn't feel like it because the ball and socket joints are plenty firm. And any surface that you want it to hold on to, it will hold on to. And they have this kind of rubberized ends or rubberized rings to each of these sockets so that the plastic it's made of don't get slippery, and it will add to the grip of this whole tripod. That said about the tripod, let's move on to the mobile mount. Actually, it's a very good mount, I'd say. It's got well rubberized padding on either sides of the grip where you're going to mount your phone, and it's extendable up to 1.5 centimeters, and that's enough. That's sufficient. It's got mount screw holes on two sides of it, so according to your needs, you can align your phone vertically or horizontally. Let's talk about the Bluetooth remote for capturing photos. It's got a nice slider button on the sides to turn it on and turn it off. As soon as you turn it on, you get a blue flashing light as signaling that it's in pairing mode, so you can pair your phone right away and it's going to get into work. And you have two separate buttons on it. On one of it, it's written iOS, and on another, it's written Android. On the iOS button, there's also written Camera 360. I don't know what that means. I don't have any iOS device around me, so I can't assure you anything about that. But both of these buttons work in Android actually. And when you pop the hood, you see there's a cell battery inside. It's a 3-volt battery. It's also got, a hole to attach your string so that you can hang it around your wrist to make it handy so that it doesn't get lost. And that's about it. Actually, when I opened the packaging, I was quite surprised to see this Bluetooth remote. It's extremely handy, and I can't stop thinking about all the applications it can have. So well does this tripod. It's very flexible and a rather versatile one, and similarly I can't stop thinking about all the amazing and crazy applications I can put this tripod into.
Consider this world we are living in right now. It's the lockdown, right? And majority of our work is being conducted from home. Be it the teachers and the students preparing for their online classes, the entrepreneurs preparing for their business meetings, the freshers preparing for their interviews, the YouTubers, the vloggers, and everybody has been working so much from their home that the use of their mobile phones have surged beyond what we used to use our mobile phones before the lockdown. So now what happens is sometimes we come across some wild idea, but we cannot apply it because of certain physical constraint that we have been tied to. But sometimes it is possible, sometimes it's not, it's okay, but sometimes it's possible. So in that case, we need some augments to further our reach beyond the possible threshold, and that can be very much, very productive for our creativity. It might be innovative, and sometimes the things go viral.
This is it for this review. and you'll see me in the next one. See ya.